I will, of course, take appropriate steps to limit what the jury can hear if appropriate. All right, I received a note, we need to reset the Polycom system, so I'm not sure what that means. I'll find out, and if appropriate, make a record as to why and whether that impacted anything that was happening in the other room. But at this point,